In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix SteamVR error 451 with this comprehensive guide for 2025. If you're encountering this issue, you know how frustrating it can be when you just want to indulge in some immersive virtual reality gaming. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring clarity and ease so you can get back to playtime without further delays. First, let's start by making some necessary changes to your network settings. Begin by opening your settings menu. You can easily access this by clicking on the Start menu and navigating to the gear icon, traditionally labeled as Settings. Once there, you'll need to locate the Network and Internet option. This section encompasses all your network-related settings, a critical area to address when trying to resolve connectivity issues like Error 451. Within the Network and Internet settings, the next focus should be on your Ethernet connection, so go ahead and click on Ethernet. Here, you'll see a list of available networks. Now make sure that your network is set to private. This switch is vital because private networks are typically more secure for Steam and related applications, allowing them to communicate more freely with your device. Next, we need to check your graphics settings to ensure everything runs smoothly and without latency problems. To do this, head back to the main settings menu. Once there, look for System. This is where you manage your device's core functionalities. Inside the System menu, you'll want to go to Display. This might seem unrelated at first glance, but certain display features directly impact VR experiences. Within the display options, find and click on Graphics. You're almost there. When you access the graphics settings, look for a feature relevant to latency. Here, it's crucial to toggle off the Reduce Latency setting. While reducing latency might seem advantageous in theory, for SteamVR, this particular setting can sometimes hinder performance rather than enhance it. By turning it off, we aim to provide a smoother, more efficient operation for your VR setup, and there you have it. With these adjustments, you should now have resolved the SteamVR error 451 issue. Remember, maintaining the right settings is key to enjoying the best possible experience. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be back to enjoying your virtual reality adventures in no time. If you still encounter issues, it could be worth checking for any updates or reaching out to Steam support to ensure there aren't any other underlying problems with the application itself. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.